to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I'm going to be testing this 3-piece Pro manicure kit from Butter London that they recently released. It is now available on their website. It says the Go Waterless, the greener, cleaner approach, where it comes with a waterless manicure system. It includes 3 different tools and it shows you how to use them here. So basically, the 3 pieces are a melt away cuticle exfoliator, a signature glass cuticle pusher, and a regular signature glass nail file. So here's the cuticle remover. It's like this really cute little bottle. You just brush this on to your cuticles. Then we've got these nice little covered tools here. It comes with the file, as you guys can see on this one. And I personally love a glass file. There was a long time where I never used a glass file, then I finally tried one and I absolutely love them. So it's textured on one side, and here's a look at that. Then the other one, which is my first time actually ever using something like this. So this is the glass cuticle pusher. So it's like the texture of a nail file, and one side's pointy and then the other side is like meant to push your cuticles back, so it's got that curved tone to it. The pointy sides is meant to be used to like clean underneath your nail, but this side over here is the one where you use it to push your cuticles back, which again I've never used, but because it has the textured file texture to it, it's actually going to help remove some of that cuticle. So first off, I'm just going to show this to you on one of my nails here. So this thumb, it hasn't been done in a while, so it does have a little bit of the cuticle skin on the nail. So I've just put on the remover. On the packaging, it says to let the melt away cuticle exfoliator to sit for about 2 minutes. I would say you can do it less if you don't have a ton there, but if you have a lot, go ahead and do the full 2 minutes. Once you've got that done and it's set, you can then go in with the little cuticle pusher here while this product is still on your nails and just continue to push back. As you will start to see, I am getting up some of the dead cuticle skin off of my nail. It is not damaging to my nail at all. You can tell it's not scraping it. It's just purely taking off the cuticle, which was honestly a little bit one of my concerns whenever I saw this sort of product, but it works super well. It doesn't damage, and honestly, like, this is the nicest cuticle finish I've had in a while because honestly I've been slacking on it. So overall, I really like this kit, if not just for the cuticle pusher and the exfoliator. Like, those two are huge things. And like I said, I've never used one of these cuticle pushers like this before, and I feel like for that alone it's worth it because it worked really well. And I am now going to be using it for like the next few weeks and use it consistently, and we will see the changes with it. So this is available now on the Butter London website, and I will have it linked down below. But overall, I'm super impressed and I can't wait to hear what y'all think of it. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!